Hello fans, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. So today I'm back with another video. As you can see at the title, this is assorted meat pepper soup. As you know, this is a very cold weather now, so we are trying to eat something that is going to spice our body up. So this is the meat I'm going to use. This is assorted meat, and I have this is cow stripes, and we call it here a body, that is a intestine, big one. Then I have the beef here, and I have the liver here. Then this is my pepper soup spices. As you can see, all of them, ehulu, otazi seeds, and others. Then I have this is a scent leaf. Is fresh one, but I freezer it. It is in the freezer, so I brought it out now. Then I have the Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have these shrimps. Yeah, is optional. Then I have the thyme for seasoning. Then I have two stock cube and salt. I have the crayfish. Then this is onions and the bell pepper, red bell pepper. So I'll go now to start with this stuffed meat. Yeah, I'm going to start cooking in with this one. This one is stuffed. As you can see, this is a part of we call it tozo here. Yeah, it's stuffed anyway. So I'll go ahead and start doing it, and also prep all those things, blend all the pepper soup spices off camera. Then I'll come to you. Okay, so let's go and start putting up this one on fire. So here is my pot. I'm going to use this gigantic pot because the pepper soup will be quite big. So this is it. I'm going to start with this cow stripe that is strong. Okay, remember I've already washed it to cut everything short, so I've already wash it very well. If you want to wash your cow stripe, you can use a bicarbonate and the vinegar, okay, and a salt, and you can even use a lemon to avoid smelling. Okay, so here is the meat. So at this time I'm going to cover it. I'm not going to add anything for now. So let me allow it to boil and bring out its own water. Okay, so let's cover it and wait for it to boil. So fans, this is it. You know, I told you I'm not going to add water. You see the water that came out from it? You can see it now. So now the cooking begins. Okay, so I'm going to add this is the salt and the stock cube and the thyme, dry thyme, and this is the onions, so that is it. So as you can see now, the water here is not yet enough, but I'll still leave it to steam a little bit while I go ahead and blend this garlic and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, I'm going to blend it. Also fans, I didn't show you this as I was displaying my ingredients for this part. Look at it here. I'm going to add it later. Okay, this is one of the pepper soup spices. It's optional. If you have it, it's good. If you don't have it, but it's very medicinal. Okay, so let me go and blend this. I'll come back while I cover to still cook. So here I come. Let's add the pepper. This is then I'll add water. I'll add another water. Yeah, so it depends on how you want it. If you want it too watery, you can still add water. Then as time goes on, as we are cooking, we are shaking the water to see how we want it. Okay, so now I will allow it to cook. Remember, this is a very tough meat, so we allow it to cook. Hello farms, here we are. It is half cooked. Yeah, it is half cooked. So now I'm going to add this liver. You can see it here. So it's soft, so we are going to add this one. So by this time we are going to add other things that's supposed to be here. Okay, I'm going to add this pepper soup spice. You see it here? I'm going to add it here. Then you can see the pepper soup spices. It is two colors. This one I blended it and sieve it. This is it here, and this is other ones, all of them. So here is it. We add it. So I'll go ahead and turn it. Wow. So I'll cover it again for another 10 minutes. Then we'll come back for other things. So farms, here we are. Yeah, this is a time to add other things that we needed to add. These our shrimps. This is optional. And this is our scent leaf. It's fresh one, but I've frozen it. So here is it. This scent leaf will take this pepper soup to another level. You can have utazi leaves. If you have utazi leaves, you can add. And here is our crayfish. This pepper soup is getting ready for the consumption. So we go. We turn it. Okay, that is it for now. Then I have to cover it again so that these shrimps will get some fire before the last thing to do. Okay, if you are still watching, God bless you. Thank you so much for still being here. Yeah, if you have not given me thumbs up on this video, please do. I know you love this video. Okay, and share this video. It's free. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, so here is it. We go. So let's cover it for just 3 minutes and I will come back again. Okay, here we come. Here we come. Let's see how it goes. So farms, at this point, my kitchen, you can't imagine the aroma that is coming out from this kitchen. It was so much. And one thing I love this pepper soup is that I love the water consistency. I've tested the salt. The salt is okay. Everything is at equilibrium. If not, people will speak English. So here is it now, and here we add this. This is not a mandate. Yeah, I just want to put some color on this pepper soup. Okay. This is not a mandate. It's not a must you put a bell pepper. You can skip this stage. But for this soup, it's ready. I'll just cover it for 2 minutes and I will off the stove. Thank you so much for still being here. God bless you. Yeah. You can use this pepper soup for your rice. For me now, is rice I'm going to use it for. Okay. You can use it for your fufu. You can use it for your yam. You can even drink it like that. Yeah, so you can use it with your agidi. Yeah, so here is it. I have to go. Thank you so much for still being here. Yeah, you can share this video out if you love what I did here. God bless you, and till we see next time, remain blessed. Okay.